In this video, we will study dividing polynomial. First, we will study dividing monomial. Monomial is only one term. So to do this, we group the coefficient and group a line base into individual quotients. Then divide the coefficients and apply the quotient rule. The quotient rule is we have a to the m over a to the n, and because I divide two numbers with the same base, I keep the base, which is a, take the top exponent minus the bottom exponent. So that is the quotient rule for exponents. So I'm going to do now, use this step here, and we rewrite the problem at 32 divided by 4, and then I have x to the 7, x to the cube. Then I'm going to simplify. So I'm going to use red and blue, black. So you see this here, I have 8. For this guy here, I have x and x is same base. I'm using the quotient rule here. So the x is base, I keep the common base, take the top exponent minus the bottom exponent. So I have 8 times x to the 4. So this is our answer. This is how we divide a monomial. Second, we will learn how to divide a polynomial by a monomial. To divide a polynomial by a monomial, divide each term of the polynomial by a monomial and simplify, using the method for a dividing monomial. This is a polynomial. This is poly mean many. The polynomial, and this is the monomial. In the denominator, we have monomial. Okay. So all I'm going to do is I'm going to use this step here. So let's rewrite the problem. So take that rewrite I have so already I just rewrite the problem. I have monomial and a polynomial on the top, monomial. So I take each term of a polynomial. I have two terms here. So I take each term of a polynomial, divide by a monomial, which is 4x squared, then minus 28x squared over 4x squared. Then from here we're using using the method for dividing monomial, and we simplify the problems. So let's use red. So 12 divided by 4 is 3. Now I have x to the cube divided by x to the second. So 3 minus 2 is 1. So you have x left. Minus, I have 28 divided by 4 is 7. You have x squared over x squared, anything cancel out. So this is your answer. And then next step is we will study how to divide a long division polynomial by a polynomial. Okay, we're using long division. These are the steps of dividing a polynomial by a polynomial using long division. So first step 1, we divide. So divide each term of the dividends by the first term of the divisor, multiply the result of the division by the divisor, write this result under the dividend, make sure the line up in line term, subtract, and then subtract the result of the multiplication from the dividends. Then step 4, drop down the next term from the original dividends to form a reduced polynomial, and repeat this 4 step. So let me show you what I mean by this. When we repeat the 4 step, make sure we continue to repeat until the remainder no longer divided, which occur when the degree of the remainder is less than the degree of the divisor. This is called the divisor. This is called dividend. Okay. So when we do, when you all step here, just show you how to divide. So I put the divisor outside. Oops. So mine plus 3, like that. And I put the dividend in here. Now it's very important that the dividends, the polynomial here, has a degree for the highest to the lowest go descending, not nicely. So this term here has a degree of 2, this term here has a degree of 1, and this term here has a degree of 0. So it's very important that you write things in order from the highest to the lowest. Okay, step 1. We need to divide the first term of the dividend by the first term of the divisor. So this is the first term of the dividend, and this is the first term of the divisor, which is 2x squared divided by x. So I got 2. Okay, this 2x, this 2x here help us to determine what go up here. Okay, you put up like that. Now you multiply this to the divisor. So I take 2x, that is step 2. Multiply the result of the division from here by the divisor. Okay, so we do that. So now take this here times that. So 2x times x is 2x squared. Then 2x plus 3, 6x. Then step 3 is subtract the result of the multiplication from the dividend. So subtract. To subtract the polynomial, remember, we always change the second polynomial, change the sign. So to change the sign, I'm using minus. This was the positive and become a minus. It's a minus. Okay, what I did is I taking this part to subtract that. And remember, when you subtract two polynomials, for example, for this case, I have x squared plus x. Subtract 2x squared plus 6x. When you subtract, remember you distributed the minus inside, so this term here become a minus 2x squared and minus 6x. That's why you just change on the side of the second of the result here. So now you add them together. This is light term here equal to 0, like that, and then you have x plus minus 6x is minus 5x. So that this is the remainder. And then I have this term here, and I bring it down like that. So now we could repeat the same process. Okay. If I take the first term, this whole thing here becomes the dividends now. The first term of the dividend divided by the first term of the divisor, which is minus 5x divided by x equal to minus 5, because the x got cancelled out. So you put a minus 5 up here. Then you do that, because this will tell us what you need to multiply to the divisor by the divisor. So minus 5 times x is minus 5x. Minus 5 times 3 will be minus 15. So I just finished step 2. I take this time this divisor. So take minus 5 times the whole thing here. This is my divisor. Then step 3, subtract. This here subtract. Once again, to subtract, all you have to do is changing the sign of this second polynomial here. This is minus become a plus. Minus will be plus. Add them together, you get a 0. Add them together, you get a 0. See, now we remain 0 and finish. So this is our answer. Right here is the answer. So this is how you divide a long division of two polynomials.